Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to update your OBS Studio. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in OBS. Select the best match, should be OBS on this page here. And what you want to do, you might actually get an update notification saying that you can just go ahead and update now by selecting this button. Otherwise, if you close out of here and you select the Help button up at the top right, select Check for Updates, and then select Update Now. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And once that's done, you have the option to launch OBS, and that's pretty much it, guys. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.